welcome to the special episode about workshop. Nope, we are not in Dallas, we are not in Vegas, we are in a Hereford. Customs isn't just customizer, but they are builders as well. By the way, they built this dragster for disabled racers, which is one in the UK and probably just couple in the whole world. Anyway, let's meet the boss of this garage. I heard about him. He's responsible for Dead Sea and the Road of Death in Southern America earned her name after his 1-week holiday visit. Anyway, let's meet him personally.
By the way, this is Ginge, mascot of company and supervisor.
Surely you remember Dan from previous episodes. He is a part of this company, but there is the most important thing, Big Boss.
Right, welcome to Road Rod Customs. Here we specialise in radical builds, ground up builds, engines, transmissions, even down to the simplest things of getting your dragster ready for a race meet. Dan over here is in charge of bodywork, paint prep, making sure the cars are sexy as hell ready to go out onto the showroom floor before they get painted. So he also works damn hard around the rest of the shop, specialising not just in that, but general fabrication. We've got a lot of projects on here at Road Rod Customs, one of which being, as I'm working on now, a special order 1939 rat rod that is also being built for a paraplegic driver, so we'll be adding to the fleet of disability dragsters, as well as a twin turbo 57 Chevy, and there are several other, as well as 2 Pontiacs that are due in for work as well.
And what about your unique dragster? Tell us something more about it.
Her name's Attitude Adjustment Racing. She's currently got a 326 cubic inch Jag-Base V12 as the motor, running twin 750 double pumpers. We'll be experimenting when the tracks reopen to find out if we can manage to drop below the 1025, which currently stands as our record. But she's running trigger throttle for hand controls, push lever brakes, even down to the seat being the same height as a wheelchair. Means it doesn't matter if you ain't got no legs, just slide straight across and go racing.
Okay, but how you actually started?
Everything began when I unfortunately had some very bad experiences working for unpleasant employers to start with, and was employed by a friend of mine who ran his own hot rod shop, and he started to teach me the ropes in building custom cars for customers. And I then wanted to see if I could better myself and do what my dream was, which was to set up and run my own hot rod shop. So here we are, a year down the line, or just over, and we've just finished a complete rebuild on the shop. We're no longer a little workshop where you can fit maybe 2 cars in at a time. We've got enough space to fit 6 cars in for work at once, and we can actually look and focus on building much higher quality cars now.
And Ginge said, let's go back to work.
Well, that's it for today. I'm pretty sure it was really interesting visit and we must definitely return. Thank you so much for your watching and take care and see you next time.